Give back is a very common English phrasal verb. It has a clear main meaning for beginners. Today we focus on its most important use. This verb helps you talk about returning things in daily life. The main meaning of give back is simple. It means to return something to its owner. When someone borrows your pen or book, you say give it back. This is the most common everyday use of give back. Listen to these real examples. Please give me back my phone. He gave back the money he borrowed. I want to give back to my community. She gave the book back to its owner. These show how give back works in sentences. Give back means the same as return, restore, or repay. You can also say reimburse, refund, or settle. Use these words to make your English stronger. They all help express returning something. Give back has two key uses. First, return something like a book or phone to its owner. Second, give to community to show thanks. Both meanings are important for good English conversation. Here are practice sentences. Give me back my phone. Did he give back your book? I gave it back to the owner. I want to give back to my community. Say these sentences to practice give back. Review these words for give back. Return, restore, repay, reimburse, refund. Also remunerate, settle, redress, relinquish. Now you know many ways to say give back. Practice using them all.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.